Hey guys, Chris Knight here, Business Development Manager with Red Door Property Management. We're about to dive into the AVON, Indiana, September 2023 market report. Now, if you're a new investor to the area, I probably wouldn't immediately look to dive into this market. Not that I would avoid it altogether, because there is a lot of new construction going on in that area, as there are in a lot of submarkets surrounding Indianapolis. But it's one that I would probably keep an eye on in the short term before I just dove right in. Well, I'll show you why. Okay, guys. So I just finished the Noblesville market report. So you'll have to excuse me a little bit. I'm kind of going off of a high there to a little bit of, I don't want to say a low, but maybe just a lack of understanding in this market. So, I mean, Avon is a great area, right? Primarily driven by its school systems, amazing schools, a lot of new development going on there, as there is in a lot of submarkets around Indianapolis, Brownsburg, Greenwood, Noblesville, Fishers, McCordsville. These are all areas, a lot of new development going on. And just looking at these numbers, so let me start. And if you haven't already taken a look at the September 2023 market report for Noblesville, go take a look at it, because this is going to be a huge indicator. This, to me, as a real estate investor and property manager in this market, this makes me nervous. When I see this line just going all over the place over the last, 11 months, it is just bouncing all over the place, not very consistent. It makes me nervous. But nonetheless, let me shove down my own personal opinions and insecurities and dive into this market report. So here's what we're looking at. We're getting a sneak peek here into October, which is a decrease in the average rents, which is what we're seeing market wide. If you're not paying attention to these market reports, you're really missing out on a ton of really valuable information, rather. So currently active homes in the market, 68, pretty low, right? It's certainly not oversaturated, which might help explain why our average days on the market are at 21. Now, we currently manage, obviously, homes in the Avon market. We have been experiencing a slightly average days on market a little bit higher than this. So this is kind of surprising to me. What this would indicate, rather, is just down almost 13% from month over month, and down 25% year over year is absolutely shocking to me, because that's not something you're experiencing market wide right now. What you really need to look into is the Indianapolis market report. You're going to see much different numbers than what we're showing here. But these numbers should be exciting, right? So why am I not excited? Well, it's because I'm just not experiencing that in our own profession. So, and then just seeing the median rental price over time just fluctuate all over the place. It's almost like a market that doesn't really know what it's supposed to be doing yet. But back to the active homes on the market, having 68 active homes in the market definitely is not an oversaturated market. So that could be a big reason why. But number of homes sold is just 59, and it is a small market as well, right? Obviously indicated by the active homes and the number of homes sold. But average sales price at $321. Now, keep in mind, this is the investor point of view. So this is only homes that are sold under $500,000, which investors in this area, in my opinion, shouldn't be looking at homes that are over the $500,000 price point. So you're really looking at an average of $321. Average rents, $1,850, which is down only about 0.5%, which market-wide, we are seeing average rents decrease, not only because of the correction we're experiencing, but it's also seasonality, right? So, but what's surprising there is when your average rents are going down, and also at the same time, our average days on market are going down. It's normally you would see the opposite. If my average days on market are going down, my average rent should be able to tick up to balance that average days on market somewhere around a 30-day time frame. So that's what we're seeing currently in the Avon market report. If you're not already, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on next month's market report. It could be a doozy. We don't know. Check it in.